We're roasting an Iberian lamb bone-in shoulder, and this might be the best lamb I've ever had. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making a roasted Iberian bone-in lamb shoulder with potatoes. The first thing that we need to get going is roasting the lamb. So we got an Iberian lamb bone-in shoulder from Covap. We're gonna remove it from the package. This beautiful Paleto de Cordero weighs close to 3 pounds. We're gonna season it with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost, and then we're gonna put it in an oven-proof pan. We're gonna add 3 bay leaves and a cup of pork stock. Then we wanna put the oven at 300 degrees, and now we're gonna roast it for about an hour and a half. The lamb shoulder is now in the oven, so let's get started on all the other ingredients. We're gonna slice 2 yellow onions into thin slices. We're also gonna slice 3 pounds of potatoes into slices. I'm using a mandolin. It's been 1.5 hours and the lamb looks amazing, so it's time to remove it. We're gonna place it on a plate. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of white wine to our pan. Then we're gonna add the onions. We're gonna add the potatoes. We're gonna squeeze some lemon juice on top and add the lemon too. We need to season this heavily with salt and pepper. We also want to drizzle this heavily with olive oil. Then we're going to place the lamb shoulder back into the pan again. We're also going to add some garlic. We're going to add a couple of sprigs of thyme, a couple of sprigs of rosemary, and then it's back into the oven again. Now we're going to roast it for another hour. After an hour, we want to remove it again. We want to flip the lamb over, and we want to stir the potatoes. Back in the oven for another hour. It's been 3.5 hours in total. The lamb bone-in shoulder is ready. And look at this. It smells so good and it looks even better. And that is how I make my roasted bone-in lamb shoulder with young lamb from Covap. And we have to try this and see what it tastes like. Just smells amazing. So here we go. So much flavor in this, and it's so easy to make. I hope you try this at home. Wow. Happy grilling.